So I'm going to demonstrate today the install of the Comma.ai, Eon, and Giraffe, and Panda on the Subaru Legacy 2018. Is it recording? Okay, here we go. So this is the typical interior roof of the Legacy. It does not have a sunroof. The easiest way to get into the eyesight unit is to just put your fingers underneath the cover here and slowly pull down. You'll see there's little clips in there that are pressure fit into there. There's two right there, and then if you just pull along each of these sides, you'll get both of those to come down. It'll still hook on to the cameras in the front, and so you need to just slide it forward a little bit and be able to bring it down. The best thing to do is probably just go and unhook this connector here. See it? There you go. And then there's a connector for the microphone up underneath there. I'm going to just push down on it and pull out. And then you can just take the cover right down, put it down. So you have the two connectors that are still there. Now you'll notice there's already a USB cable which I had routed up previously up underneath and brought it around to the other side to hook into the Giraffe. This is the connection to the eyesight unit from the car, and you might want to get it a little bit more from this angle here. Face it that way. There you go. See how that kind of comes in? You're going to basically unhook that from the eyesight unit and you have it out. And this is the Giraffe you're going to get, and I've already plugged in the Giraffe, the Panda into the Giraffe, but I think everybody understands that it's just going to go into the USB port. This Giraffe has been modified by me to work on the CAN 3. You may have one that's on CAN 2. You can change it, you can leave it the same. It just depends on how it is that you've set up your branch. So this is pretty easy. Clay will show you, this is Clay's Giraffe, and he actually has a method where you can slide it up underneath there without the Panda on there, slide it up and then connect the Panda to it up inside of there so that it's completely hidden in that particular space above the eyesight unit. I didn't do all of that. I basically have enough room because I don't have a sunroof to slide it all up in there, which is what I do. For some of the models, you may need to be able to flip from eyesight to open pilot, and so that's what these two little switches are for. And if you put it up in the front, you may be able to reach up under there, but with my cover I wasn't actually even able to get my fingers up there to do it, so it doesn't really matter to me whether it's sitting up there or not. So this comes with basically a jumper here. You're going to plug the Giraffe into the eyesight and slide that up in there, and then the car's pin is going to go into here like that, and then you can just kind of tuck it up and out of the way like that, and that's it. So really now your Panda and your Giraffe is plugged in there. Oh, I forgot, you got to plug in your USB cable that I had already fished up there. Let me get that. So the USB cable goes into the Panda as well. You can see the Panda's already on after it's been plugged in, so I'm going to plug that in and then just shove everything up into the ceiling like that. Again, you can decide to do this a little bit cleaner, but for me it's not that big a deal. And you could try to figure out a way to put it up in under there, but again, that's not going to make any difference. So then you're just going to put the cover back on, slide it up over the camera. You'll see where it lines up here and here to plug into there. Don't forget to hook in your microphone jack, just like that, and your overhead lights. And slide this up. The one thing you do want to be careful about when you get your fingers up in the front there is not to touch the camera lens, because those are hard to clean off. And that's it. Push it right back up there, and you put your visors back. You're done with that part of it. Then you're just going to be, I already put the GoPro mount on the front. The USB plugs into the Eon. You can get it in there. Like that. And then I mounted it like that. Now mine is a little bit lower down on the windshield, because I also have a headlight detector up there to auto dim the high beams, and if I put this up a little bit higher, it'll block that out. So I put it down a little bit lower, but it's low enough that that's going to work. And let's see if I can start it and get it to go here. That's basically it. It's ready to drive. If you've got no errors, there won't be any eyesight flashing on the dash, and you're good to go.